Hi everyone, we have covered a lot of information over the last few videos and we have the final video ready with us. Now, what I'm going to say is please make sure that if you are following all my videos and if you are doing all the assignments that I have given, by the end of this section, you should be able to have your final video ready. Okay, keep the video ready. Please follow all the assignments, follow all the steps that I have mentioned, and keep the final video ready. From now on, I am going to talk about some topics related to CapCut. CapCut is an editing tool. I'm going to show some important features that you might be interested to add to your final video to do your final editing. Once it is done, you can export your video to have complete video. All right, please follow my assignments and please try to do it as much as you can. I really hope you find this information helpful. Thank you very much for watching. I'll catch you in the next video. Bye bye.